Alright, thank you guys for clicking on this week's video. Today we're going to go over hedge fund investing advanced technique. Now the technique I'm going to go over isn't a hard one to do. The reason I say it's an advanced technique is I should say it's more of a secret technique than an advanced one, but it is one that if done correctly could greatly increase your portfolio size. Now there are certain times when you want to do this technique more often, so I'm going to go over the scenarios for that first and then I'll show you the technique. So basically this technique, what it does is you look at a hedge fund and you look at the stocks they own and you buy into those stocks. The reason being is because hedge funds and hedge fund managers are pretty lazy, so whenever they have an influx of money coming in, like let's say they're getting a lot more money than they expected, they'll just rebuy stocks that they already own shares in, and hence since you'll be in front of them, they're going to put a massive buying pressure into those stocks and you can get in and get out and enjoy your gains. Now the best times to do this I have found is in times of crisis where people are now starting to get money back. So for example, right now the whole coronavirus pandemic has been going on and it's been crazy, right? Well, what people aren't really talking about is the fact that after the stimulus check came in, there was a huge increase in the amount of trading right after that. I think it was up about 80% for retail traders. And with that extra money, they were able to put it in the market, sending it up. So what you can do is you can look at, and I'll put an example up. You can use Berkshire Hathaway. They own currently, I believe, 20 shares. Not 20 shares, sorry, that'd be embarrassing for them. 20 companies in their portfolio. And they have a huge influx of money. They have a ton of money left over because, as you know, Warren Buffett has been having a huge sell-off in this market and hasn't rebought into it just yet. But I promise you when he does, it's going to be a nice increase in value for the overall market. And quite possibly, he might even rebuy old stocks that he sold. So be on the lookout for that as well. So again, I hope you guys liked the video. This wasn't really a crazy advanced technique that's super hard to do, but more of a secret one that not a lot of people actually talk about. So if you guys could do me a favor, leave a like, comment, subscribe. It really helps us out over here to keep making these videos. Either way though, I still love these videos and will continue to make them. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night wherever you're located at, and I'll see you guys in the next video to come.